Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you've been on the hunt for a pair of pants that are both comfortable and stylish, then let me show you these high-waisted, wide-leg dress pants from NuNu Yong. One of my favorite things about this pair of pants is that not only does it have pockets, but the material gives a very generous stretch, which makes it easy to put on and provides comfort all day long. I think it's great that the belt that it comes with does come completely off, which allows you to style it how you want. Whether you want to change out the belt for one that you may personally have already, or for me personally, I tend to walk a lot, so I'll have my crossbody bag or my fanny pack with me, and I can actually loop my fanny pack through these belt loops and wear it all day long. This is made out of great, soft fabric. I'm 5'3" and found that I can wear this with flats or with heels. I love that you can dress these up or down depending on the occasion you're going to. So if you're looking for the perfect pair of dress pants and don't want to sacrifice comfort or style, then I would highly recommend these wide leg dress pants from NuNu Yong. And that's my point of view.